Friends, welcome to my channel Keep Exploring. In today's video, we are going to discuss question number 3 from the exercise 11.1 of the chapter Real Numbers, class 10. So let's start. The question says, an army contingent of 616 members. So there is an army contingent of 616 members. They have to march behind an army band with 32 members. Now we have to see that the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So they have to march in the same number of columns, such that here what you have to do, we have to find what is that maximum number of columns in which they can march. That is, what is the possible, the maximum at most, what is the maximum possibility that they can make columns. So here, to understand the question, let us see here. Suppose think that the band is walking here, and behind it there we have a army contingent. Now it says that both the groups has to march in the same number of columns. That means if the band is formed into 4 columns, this contingent also have to make 4 columns only. So whatever the number of columns they are having, both should be the same. And we have to find here what is that number of columns, what is the maximum possibility of that. So to understand this question, let us take some easy numbers so that we can identify properly. So here, suppose we think that in that army contingent, suppose think that there are 24 members, and in that army band, let's think that there are 12. So let us think that in army contingent there were 24 members and the army band 12 members. Now we have to find how can we divide these 24 members into columns. That means we have to see now by what numbers I can divide 24. So I have to make into columns. So I have to find out the number. So we know that 24 I can make into one column, so that in each column 24 members should be there, or else 2 columns, so that in each will have 12. If you will make 3, there will be 8. If you will make 4, there will be 6. Now I cannot divide 24 into 5 columns because it is not divisible by 5. So these are the options we are having. Either I can make 1. If I make 1 column, there will be 24 members, and if I make 24 columns, there will be 1 member. Similarly, if you make 2, there will be 12 members, and if you will make 12 columns, there will be 2 members. So in this way, we know that we can divide this 24 members into 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 or 24. These are the possible columns we can make. Similarly, for 12, what we can do, one group of 12, or we can say 1 column of 12, 2 columns of 6, 3 columns of 4, or else 4 columns of 3, 6 columns of 2, 12 columns of 1. So here the possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 columns are possible. So now the next thing is, we have to see that the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. See here, same number of columns. Now we'll see which are matching. So we can see here same number, we'll just match them. 1 column they can go, or else we can divide them into 2 columns, even 3 columns and 4 columns, and finally we have 12 columns. That means both the contingent and the band can be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 or even 12 columns. Next thing you have to see, it is asking us what is the maximum number, means what is the highest number possible. So here easily we can see here the highest number possible is 12. So if we make them into 12 columns, the contingent also can go, the band also will go. So both we can divide them into 12 columns. Here what we did actually, first thing, whenever we are saying that what are the number of columns possible, that means we are saying that 24 is divisible by which number, or else which number divides 24. Now we saw that these all numbers are dividing 24. that means 24 is divisible by these all. Since 24 is divisible by all these numbers, these are the factors. Similarly here, these are the factors. Now, after this, here what we did then, out of these factors, which is common, we found out. We find out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. These are all the common factors. After that, which is the highest one. So, we found out the highest common factor. So, the same thing we will do in this question now. So, what we know now here, from the question how to find, what we have to do. Simple thing. See the some keywords in the question. It is given what is the maximum number. First thing is this one, in which both the groups, you can see here, in which they can mark, in which the two groups can march in the same number of columns. That is the common thing. So what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march, and both should have the same number of columns. So here that means we have to divide this army contingent and the army band into groups. Means you have to find them factors. We are grouping them. Next, same number of columns. So common, and finally maximum number. So we are getting highest. So generally in this type of question we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. So here what we'll do, HCF of 616 and 32. So we'll find the HCF of 616 and 32. So here the steps you can write is the maximum number of columns in which both can walk, or we can say both can march in same numbers. Okay, in same number of columns is the HCF of 616 and 32. So maximum, highest, both common and in same numbers, that is the factor, same number of groups they are making into groups. So we have to find the HCF of 616 and 32. So let's see how to find the HCF of 616, 32. So here we'll use the process of Euclid's division. So first you see here 616 is greater than 32. So here what we can say, 616 we will divide by 32. So 32 ones will not go. So 32 ones are 32. Remainder we get 11 minus 2 is 9, 5 minus 3 is 2. So next, again 32 into how much will get 296. So we can see here 32 8s we can take. So 8 2s are 16. 256. So we are not getting. So we can take 9. So we can divide it by 9. So when you divide it by 9, 32 9s are will do. So 9 2s are 18, 8 1, 9 3s are 27, we get 288. So the remainder comes 8. So our division is completed now. So here applying the Euclid's division lemma, what we get, 616 is written as 32 multiplied by 19 plus 8. So here what we find, Euclid's division lemma, A equals to BQ plus R. Here A is equal to 616, B equals to 32, Q is 19, and the remainder we get is 8. Next, so using the division algorithm, what we know, if remainder is not equals to 0, here we see that remainder is not equals to 0. Since remainder is not equals to 0, we will apply the lemma again for the remainder and our divisor, that is 32 and 8. So here now what will happen, A will be taken as 32 and B will be taken as 8, and we'll find the Q and R. So let's see here. So 8 again will be the divisor and 32 will be the dividend now. Okay, so 8 4s are 32. Now it completely divides. So 32 is completely divisible by 8, or 8 divides completely 32. So we can say again 32 can be written as 8 into 4 plus 0. So we know that if the remainder is 0, then the divisor what we use will be our HCF. So the HCF is of 616, 32 is 8. That means we can divide the army band and the army contingent can be made into 8 columns, so that both can march behind one each other. So we can get it 8 columns. So this is the maximum number of columns possible, so that we can divide both contingent and the army band. So the answer will be 8. Hope you understand this question. To get more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep exploring. Thank you.